I think clearly we want New Yorkers to use mass transit rather than being out on the roads, but I think people should also understand there could be some delays, particularly on elevated lines. At this moment, we want to discourage people from using the streets who don't need to use them, but we don't have a specific plan to close specific streets yet. That's going to be, and we may not need to, depending on the magnitude of the storm. We're going to see how that develops.
We are in good shape both on the 911 as well as on the patrol service side of the issue.
Se acerca una tormenta de nieve significativa y peligrosa para nuestra ciudad. Urgimos a todos los residentes a mantenerse fuera de las vías a menos que sea absolutamente necesario. Estamos preparados y pedimos a los neoyorquinos dar sus propios pasos de acción y mantenerse a salvo en las próximas horas.